Welcome to the last video of lesson number 12, adverb of our grammar textbook. We have already started this lesson and you have seen two videos related to this topic, adverb with its definition and different kinds of adverb you have seen. You have seen that an adverb modifies or describes another part of speech, phrases, articles and also an entire statement. It gives answers to the questions related to how, where, when, how much, what frequency. All these questions are answered with the help of the words coming under adverbs. You have also seen 11 kinds of adverbs which are given in our textbook. Now in this video we are going to see the formation of adverbs. There are some adverbs that are same as the adjective. They are not derived from other words. See the words beautiful, slow, bad, happy, noisy, easy. These are all adjective. Adjective, the words which describe noun or pronoun. And see what we have done here. By adding ly, we can convert these adjectives into adverb. Beautiful, adding ly, it will become beautifully. Slow, ly, slowly. Bad, ly, badly. Happy, ly, happily. Now here there is a change. When the adjectives that ends in y letter, what we have to do is we have to change the spelling by replacing y with I and then ly. So in this way, see the spelling of happy, happily, noisy, noisily and easy, easily. So by adding ly or ily, we can change an adjective into an adverb. Now see some more examples. The word simple, it ends with letter E. The word single ends with letter E. So here what we have to do, we have to just remove that E and put Y in place of that E. See the spelling of simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, and what is simply, when we make it an adverb, it will become simply, and S-I-M-P-L-Y is the spelling. Next one, single, S-I-N-G-L-E. By removing E and adding Y, it will become singly, S-I-N-G-L-Y. Happy, it is ending with Y. We have to remove Y and in place of Y we will add I, then L-Y. Original, see the word original. Original is ending with letter L. So here what we have to do is we have to add ly here also, and it will become originally, O-R-I-G-I-N-A-L-L-Y. Now see the last one, tragic. It is ending with the letter I-C. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to add ly here also, but with ly we have to add al also. That means tragically the spelling will be T-R-A-G-I-C-A-L-L-Y. So in this way the formation of adverbs are done. Now you have seen the topics related to adverb, formation of adverb also we have seen. Page number 70, some words are also given. Third question related to the combination, some adverbs are the combination of determiners, noun, adjective, preposition, verbs. That means we have already seen these things, how the adverbs are modified into another part of speech. As a determiner, preposition, adjective, verbs we have seen in the first video. Now page number 71, fourth point, some archaic form of adverbs of place. Okay, archaic forms means an old fashion or old way of pronouncing some of the words. See, here, now we say here, and earlier it was pronounced as hither, there, thither, then over there, yonder, from here, hence, from there, thence, then from where, whence. So these are some forms forms of adverb of place, that is known as archaic form of adverbs. Now see the fifth and sixth point. Some words can be used as adverb, preposition, articles. Yes, this also I have explained in the previous video. You can watch there. So in this way we have completed all the points and all the pages we have seen. I think you have understood about adverbs, how it works, what are the kinds of adverb, and how we can form the adverbs. Now one exercise is to be done. See page number 71, A exercise. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs. Yes, here we have to fill these blanks with adverbs. See the first one. He is not feeling well. Okay, well will be an adverb here. Next one. I have dash seen the Taj Mahal. I have never seen the Taj Mahal. Next one, John dash comes late. John always come late. The man is old dash to be his father. Enough. Okay, the word is enough. The news is dash good to be true. The news is too good to be true. Next one, the questions were very hard. Okay. Yes, next one. We were dash happy in the new class. Okay, here you can write not happy. Next one. Dash did you come late? Why? Why did you come late? Dash many cooks will spoil the soup. Too many cooks will spoil the soup. Next one. Dash do you live? Where do you live? Yes. Next one. Lena is dash beautiful. So here we can add Lena is quite beautiful. He sang dash in the concert. He sang beautifully in the concert. He dash used to agree with me. He always used to agree with me. 14th one. The wind blows, we do not know dash it goes. So answer where? Last one. When we reached the cinema hall, the film had dash begun. Okay, dash begun, already begun. So once again I'll tell you the adverbs to fill these blanks. Well, never, always, enough, to, very, not, why, to, where, quite, beautifully, always, where, and already. Write down all these answers in the textbook itself. We have done all the points which are given in the textbook. I hope that you have understood each and everything. Go through the videos 2-3 times, and if you got any doubt you can ask me. Now till the next video, take care, be safe and stay blessed. Thank you.